Greetings again, hatchlings. This time we're going to look at what I call a sector graph. So basically, this is a grid of sectors and a simple and fast method of accessing and using them for figuring out, say, if two objects are relatively close together. So if you want to do collision detection, this is a good way of minimizing how many tests you do to save time, because it's really fast this way. So we'll start by explaining what the sector graph is made of. So the sector graph is essentially a two-dimensional grid with a series of number values. I just go straight up. I just go straight up because that seems like the easiest way to do it. Why do anything else? This works. I don't really care what numbers are stored in there because it's just comparisons for quickly checking if things are close together. So, the things I need to know for this, though, of course, is I need to know the scale of the x value as well as the y value. So, say you're using a tiles, right? And your tiles are all 32 by 32 pixel. Then, you could use a scale of 32. Use a scale of 32 by 32 to calculate the position relative to this. Right? You could use bigger scale. Say you want to cast a larger net, you might do 128 by 128 pixel size grid. It doesn't really matter what size. It's about what fits the situation. Now the next part of this is you got a coordinate. You want to figure out what sector it's in. Right? So here we go. The calculation is really simple. It's just value divided by the scale. Right? Relative to the x and the y, of course. And when you get that, you get back a sector number. Right? So, yeah. Let's assume we've already done the calculation, right? We've got back a number of, say, in this case, 3, 1, which would come back 19, right? You can see how fast that would be to get something back. And this calculation is relatively quick as well, right? You've already pre-stored this number, I'm assuming, because it's logical. And you just pass in this number, divide it by, get your sector, spit that out. Yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this.